Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn 6th class English formative 1 assessment revision. So, today we are going to learn one bit from workbook Nana. In workbook, it is in page number 3. Okay. So, what is here is you are being given multiple choice questions. You have to read the question and out of the 4 answers, you have to select which one is correct. Okay. We'll do today that bit. Let's start that bit, children. Come on. First one, the animals, okay, comma, birds, animals, birds, snakes, and insects, leave it dash. So here A option, Nana, with happy, B option, with fear, C option, without fear, D option, with danger. Okay, now we have to write the answer here. So the answer for this is with happy. Both will come, Nana, A and C. Okay, A, comma, C. Both answers are correct. Next one, second one, the peacocks were dash. So here options strong. Okay, peacocks ela unde story lo. Strong. B option proud. C option cunning. D option dangerous. Okay. So what did we learn there? We have learned that peacocks are proud. Okay, they are proud, no? Next, third one, the pythons were dash with long bodies. Python ki chaana poduvaina body untadi kada na choose emanukundadi. In the lesson we have learned. Let us see the options here. Bored. A1 is bored. B1 is blessed. BLESS is blessed. C1 blended. BLENDED blended. D1 blinked. BLINKED blinked. And the answers are pythons were blessed. Okay, it is option B. Okay, beta. Next, fourth one, the ants are always dash. So see the answer better. Let us see the options here. Busy. B option lazy. C option angry. D option lovely. And the answer for that is A. The ants are always busy. Fifth one, Nana. Now fifth one. The fish were swimming. In the dash. So the options for that, Nana. A is pond. B is pool. C is canal. D is river. Okay. So see the answer. The fish were swimming in the pool. B option is correct. Okay. 5 questions, multiple choices are finished. Now we'll start with question answers, Nana. 6 to 10 are question answers. Sixth question, Nana. How did the animals, birds, birds, snakes, and insects live? Okay, this is the question. Now we are going to write the answer for that, children. See the answer. The animals, birds, snakes, and insects lived together happily. HAPPILY. ఎలా ఉండే అవన్నీ సంతోషంగా ఉండే. సెవెంత్ వన్ నానా. whom did peacock admire? whom did peacocks admired? admire అంటే పొగడ్డం. peacocks ని వేటిని పొగిడేవి? see the answer nana. the peacocks admired the melodious songs of the cuckoo. Eighth one, Nana. What did the tiny ants do? What did the tiny ants do? The tiny ants. See the answer, Nana. The tiny ants were busy. Okay, busy ga undedanta. Etla? Tickled. Busy. Tickled ante karavadam nana. Tickled the dark buffaloes. Tickled the dark buffaloes. Okay beta. Ants are busy. అవి చాలా బిజీగా ఉండేది. ఏం చేసేవి? టిక్లింగ్. కరుస్తుంటాయి కదా దోమలు, ఇట్లా కరుస్తాయి కదా చీమలు, కుట్టడం. సో దట్ థింగ్. ఓకే నానా. సో నౌ విల్ గో ఫర్ ద ninth one, Nana. Ninth one. Okay, ninth question, Nana. From the given passage, actually we have got all this from paragraph, Nana. So pick out. See here it is both fixed. Okay. Pick out the word. Which is opposite to leisurely from the passage. Okay, from the passage. A given passage nunchi leisurely ante దాని opposite ఏంటో రాయాలి. We have to write the opposite of the word leisurely from the passage. LEISU. Okay children, what we have to do is we have to take the opposite of leisurely from the paragraph. Leisurely. So it is fear. Leisurely, fear. So next one, Nana, 10th one, last question beta. This 10th question is in page number 4, Nana. 10th question, page number 4. So see that, Nana. What did the elephants enjoy? 10th one. What did the elephants enjoy? Elephants ఏమి enjoy చేసినవి? Okay, see the answer, Nana. The elephants enjoyed The elephants enjoyed watching the fish swimming, watching the fish swimming in the pool. In the fish swimming in the pool. Okay. So this is the questions. So actually paragraph is given in page number 2, Nana, for this. In page number 2 you have got paragraph. Page number 3, 4 we have got question answers. So copy down there and you have to practice.